Hey everyone, have you turned this into this? Well, I'm gonna show ya. Ow. Hey everyone, Mark here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know, one of my favorite fruits is the avocado. Now, I get it. It's super popular, it's very trendy, and with that, people tend to buck the trend. But this fruit is just too delicious, and there's so many things that you can do with it that I don't think I'd ever buck you. So today, I'm gonna grill these up. We're gonna stuff them with whatever we want. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, so first grab your avocados, and to make sure they're ripe, just give them a bit of a squeeze. If it gives in just a little bit and it kind of bounces back, they're good. If you give it a squeeze and it feels mushy, I'll just stay away from it. There's lots of other tricks too, like peeking under the stem, and if it's green, it's good, and if it's brown under the stem, then it's no good. But I would just stick with the easy way that's tried, tested, and true, and just use your hands and just give it a bit of a feel. If your avocado is not ripe and you want to speed up the process, the paper bag trick does work because of the high concentration of a gas called ethylene that the fruit naturally gives off to help ripen. Toss an avocado in a bag and just wait a few days. Adding a banana to the bag definitely speeds up the process because bananas are a force of ethylene. So grab your avocado with the stem facing up, then grab yourself a knife. You're gonna cut down the middle until you hit the pit. And then you're gonna place the avocado on its side, and you're gonna rotate the avocado with the knife all the way around. And then you're just gonna twist off like an Oreo cookie. You can then remove the pit with your knife like so, or you can grab yourself a kitchen towel, place the avocado in there, and also do the same thing, just to be a bit more safe. And then with your knife, just give a bit of a twist and release the pit. You can then tap the tip of your knife on the cutting board, and sometimes the pit will fall off. Or with your forefinger and your thumb, you can just give a little bit of a pinch like so, and the pit can fall off safely. Next, grab a bowl. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, or any oil you like, some lemon juice, and we're gonna season it with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Give it a whisk, and now it's time to paint our avocados. On medium to high heat, on a grill pan or a barbecue, place your avocados flesh side down and grill for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until your liking. And then just give them a flip. We're gonna grill the skin side just to soften up the avocado a little bit more. Probably another 3 to 4 minutes. And that's it. Now you can stuff them with whatever you want. Number one, I'm using sumac and tahini. Both spices give off a lemony flavor, with tahini giving off a little bit more heat. Simple, but delicious. Number two, I'm bringing back the slow scrambled eggs that we made in our last video, just placing them on top. Number three, let's just add some bomba sauce. You know I love my bomba, it's delicious. And just finish it off with some grated pecorino romano. Number four, using some leftover chicken breast that I quickly turned into chicken salad. Number five, some vanilla Greek yogurt and berries with a little bit of maple syrup. Number six is just straight cheese, cheddar and Havarti. Place it under the broiler until it gets all melted and bubbly. And there we go, that's it. Get creative with it, have some fun, stuff the avocados with whatever you like. Which one am I going to eat? All right, there we have it. Grilled avocados stuffed with whatever the hell we wanted. So which one am I going to try? All right, you guys know I love my bomba. Let's go with the bomba. Nice creamy texture, flavor from the bomba, a little bit of that char, delicious. And you know what? This just goes to show you that the avocado really is a vessel for whatever you want to put in it. So which one do I want to try next? I don't know, but I'm probably gonna eat all of them, and that makes 3 avocados in one day. Who gives a shit? So I hope you guys give this a go, and as always, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.